Once the wrist settles down, you can then add more of a stretch and some more compression forces, because we're going to need to do that in order to get you back to push-ups, lifting weights, and using your wrist again. So the first exercise you want to do is wrist extension stretch. Now remember, in the last video, we were actively moving it. This video, we're pushing a little more. We're getting a nice stretch there. If you haven't watched the first video, please go back, watch it, do those exercises, and come back. So see, now we're flexing the wrist. Again, if this hurts, just back off a little bit. And we're stretching. Don't go past a 3 out of 4 pain on a 0 to 10 pain scale. 0 being no pain, 10 being the worst. Second one, remember in the first video we were going back and forth. This time we want to stretch it. So now we're stretching this part of the wrist. And then we want to come back and stretch this part. And again, just back and forth, nice and easy. If it hurts, back off a little bit. Next one, going to go like this, grasp, and do a light twist. Okay? Not hard. We're lightly twisting, rotating. It's actually called pronation. But by doing this, we're just getting the joints used to a stretch and slight compressive force. And then we'll go this way. We're supinating. You can grab right down here and then going out. Easy way to remember it, supination, right? It's like a bowl of soup. We're supinating, stretching. And now let's pronate. And we'll stretch back the other way. Last one. This is a prayer stretch. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm stretching the wrist, but also adding some compressive forces. We're getting the wrist used to stress again, because we're going to need to add stress to the wrist when we exercise or use it. You want to hold for about 20 seconds, 3 to 4 times for each one. After you've done that, you're ready to move on to the next step. Please, if you have any questions, comment below. I will answer them for you. This is your free therapy session. I look forward to seeing you in the next video where you gain your wrist function back.